family, welcome to another video. And guess what today is? Guess. Okay, well, not really today. It was last week on the 15th, 14th or 15th, but let's pretend. Guess what last week, aka today, was? It's my lockversary. It's my lockversary. Yes, you guys, 8 years. It is my 8-year lock anniversary, aka my lockversary. I had my locks installed when I started as Sister Locks. If you guys know my story, I had them installed over a 2-day span, I believe, 2 or 3 days. I think it was 2 days. 2010, March 14th we started, and March 15th we ended. And it's been 8 glorious years, ups, downs, highs, lows, and I'm just here to give you guys my check-in. But this channel grew because of my hair. My lock videos, my hair videos gets the most views. You guys can't get enough of lock videos. And I have done so many lock videos over the years. I'll have a whole entire playlist for you guys. You can check it out right there. Or just search throughout my channel. There are a lot of hair videos. And it's come to the point where I just, over time, recently I've just slowed down. I know, y'all hate it, but I've slowed down with the hair videos. Not because I don't want to do them, but only because, frankly, I ran out of things to talk about, to be honest. I don't know what else to talk about, but that's the main reason why you guys don't see much hair videos. I love my hair to death, but I just, I have other videos. I don't know what to talk about. So if you guys want to talk about something, leave it in the comment section. I'll definitely talk about it. If I haven't made a video about it yet, or if it needs an update, definitely. But if I have nothing to talk about, I'm sorry, I can't. I don't know what to I don't know. But anyway, with that said, let's talk about me having locks for 8 years. And still with this video, I don't know what to talk about, because every year since, I've always done my yearly update. And I've basically covered everything in those updates. I'll leave links for those. I have my 7-year update, my 6-year update, my 5-year update, all of them. And I kind of talk about the same things. I'm like, do you guys really want to hear me talk about the same things over and over again? Like, I don't know. So if this video might be repetitive, I mean, watch if you want. I hope you do watch. I don't know what else to talk about. So with that said, let's just talk about some stuff. First and foremost, for those that are new to the channel, welcome. If you like what you see, subscribe. I will be honest with you, there won't be as much hair videos as there was in the past. But you can still subscribe, leave a request down below, and I'll make it happen for you. Now we're all into the makeup and the green beauty, all that healthy skin, healthy glowy makeup stuff. That's what I do mostly now. I mostly focus on healthy skin, healthy makeup with clean ingredients, all of that stuff. Anyway, off topic, I digress. What was I saying? Oh, my history. I started with my locks 2010. They were started as Sister Locks. I had Sister Locks installed. I started with permed ends, so I did not do the big chop, did not cut my hair. My hair was relaxed, and I had like this much new growth, and that's how they started my Sister Locks, and the rest had the relaxed ends on it. I have a whole entire video about that. And then after a year of growing my Sister Locks with the permed ends, I cut the ends off, and then I just had my short, cute little pixie cut. Have an entire video on that as well. Then after that, I stopped going to a loctician. I started maintaining my hair myself after I got pregnant with my son. Have an entire video on that as well. And then after 2 or 3 years, or a year or so of having my Sister Locks, I started combining them on my own. Guess what? Have a video on that as well. And then to this point, even to this day, I've just progressively over the years combined my Sister Locks to the size that I want. I started combining them in 2s, boom, that was done. Another year passed, I combined those 2s again into 4s, boom, time passed. I combined those some more in the back, time passed, never touched the front until this summer I started working on the front. The front was just too small for me, and now I've combined again. Right now at this stage, I think I am happy with the size because I don't want traditional locks. I know I always wanted small locks. So I don't consider them sister locks anymore. I do consider them micro locks because I just don't use the sister lock techniques. I don't use the sister locks tool. I have an entire video on how I maintain my hair. It's there, how I interlock my hair and how I sometimes retwist my hair. So with all those combinations, my hair has gone through a lot of transformation in the 8 years of me having my locks. I started out with, I don't know how many locks. It was a lot. I'm guessing maybe like in the 600-700 range because I got them. But I mean, I told the loctician get me the tiniest size that my head could fit. And as you guys can see, I have a lot of hair. And through all the years of combinations, I counted my locks today for you guys. I did. I hate counting my locks. It is a tedious task for me. But I knew I was going to do this video, so I counted them. And I wrote it down somewhere of exactly how many locks I have currently. So let me get that for you. So over all the years of combinations, I'm finally down to 213 locks, and that is basically locks from the roots because some of them have like a two-headed dragon. So the ones that have one root but 2 locks attached to it, I still counted it as one. Can I give you an example? This one? Yeah, like this one right here. This is 1 lock from the root, but it is actually, see, it splits right there. So from the root, it is 1 lock, but up to right there is where it split. So I counted it as 1 lock from the root. So I have 213 locks, and I started off with, I didn't remember because I never counted it when I first got it, but if I do the math and I've combined, like this one that I just showed you, I think it's like this one right here was combined previously and this was combined, so that was 2. That 2 and 2, that was 4. So this is probably 4 locks in total if I'm right. This is 2, this is 2, that was 4. See how tiny that is? That was 2 locks already combined. And then I combined it again this summer. Oh, length check. I know you guys love your length check, so I got you covered. I know you guys always want to see the length check, the progress that I've made over the years. So this is not an accurate length check because my hair is curly. But I got you. You know, I'm gonna take care of them. You know what I do. We're working on it already. I washed my hair yesterday, and while my hair was still damp, before I curled it, before I did the 2-strand twist, I did a length check. So let's cut to that video. So this is how long my locks are right now. The longest lock is almost touching my booty, but the longest lock is almost touching my booty. It's up my tailbone. That is the longest one. And as you guys can see, my locks are not all the same length. I prefer it that way. It's like kind of like a V-shaped, and it comes to like a, you know, a peak as it gets towards the center of my hair. I prefer my locks that way. I never wanted them to be all one even length. I always wanted them to be different lengths, short, long, and I like that. I like that little V-shaped situation. From the front, as you can see, they cover my boobs. All right, let's see. What else can I answer in this video that I think you guys might want to know? I do get a lot of questions about lint, what to do about lint, and how I keep my locks so lint-free. First of all, let me tell you something. I'm not even gonna hide the truth. I'm not telling the truth. This is color. My hair is not naturally this dark black. My hair is black, you know, but it's not naturally this dark black. This is colored black. And I've shown you guys the process of me coloring my hair over the years. I have many videos on how I've colored my hair brown, copper color, reds, purple, you know. I've colored my hair so much over the years. So this is not natural black. So I'm sure there is lint in there somewhere, but it is colored black. That's why you can't really see it. But I do have minimal lint, and that is because I keep my hair covered a lot. Like, especially when I'm home, my hair is usually covered, and I try to wear clothing that does not have any lint particles that will attract my hair. You guys always want to know about advice on how the frizzy locks and not giving up. Let me tell you something. My locks was frizzy up until like the 6th year, to be honest. I've always had frizzy locks. My locks was always frizzy. Most of my lock journey, my hair was frizzy. Few reasons, because I interlocked my hair mostly, and when you interlock, you tend to have more frizz than when you palm roll. When you palm roll and you roll the entire length of your locks, it compacts the locks and it compacts the frizz, and you know, it holds it down tighter. Interlocking your locks will make you have, not make you, but it doesn't decline the frizz like palm rolling would. So I just dealt with it. The first few years I hated it because I didn't understand the process. I didn't like the way it looked because I was a little bit uncomfortable. But gradually I just was like, whatever. I just lived with it, made it work for me, and I kept my hair, like I always say, my curly styles. I prefer my hair to be curly. It's just my preference, and that helps me a lot where it doesn't show the frizz as much. Now, even when my hair is straight, because of having my hair for so many years, the frizz is not, it's hardly there. So it's just basically patience, understanding the process, and doing styles that minimize the frizz if you're not comfortable with it. But it's all part of the process. Just wait it out. Wait till you get to like 8, 9, 10 years, 6, 7 years, and you good. Another thing that I realized is as my hair got longer, as I've had my locks longer, I have gotten lazier with my locks. Like when you first get your locks fresh, yes, I'm gonna do this style, that style, mohawk, pay it up, this and that. You guys already know, if you've been with me for a while, I don't like to do much to my hair except wash it, curl it, and wear it in my side part like this. Sometimes I switch it up and give you guys a center part, but other than that, this is about it. So I find that over time, as my hair gets longer, I do get more lazier with the styles. It's just my preference. I just prefer it to be down, out of the way, just calm and collected, chilling, relaxing, just having a good time, living its best life, just doing what it does. Next thing, as far as the health of my locks, you guys always ask what kind of products I put in my locks. I have a video on that. I have a video on all the products I use in my locks right there. I'll link it for you guys to watch it if you're interested. But forget all the products. The main product, I know it's cliche, I know you might hate it, I know you might be like, girl, no one believes you, but trust me, I swear by it. Water are your best friend. Water, 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 pure water. Water are your best friend. Let me explain. I say water not only for the simple fact that, you know, spritzing your hair with water just helps to revitalize your locks, whatever. But the intake of water, when I drink the water and the water just nourish your whole body, water and drinking a lot of water just helps your hair to flourish. You have dry scalp, drink enough water. Unless you have some kind of serious illness or some kind of, you know, dermatitis situation, then you know what I'm saying. But if you feel like your locks are dry, increase your water intake by a lot and you'll see the difference. My hair starts to flourish and grow more. I've seen the difference over the last year or two. I've just started obsessing over water, but I've seen the difference in how my locks feel, how moisturized it look, how the health of my hair. Water, water. If you didn't learn nothing else from me from this video, water. Thank me later. I don't know. What else should I talk about? It's been an amazing journey so far. My locks have just transformed my life over the years, and I'm just so appreciative, and I'm happy that I chose to go this path. I wouldn't have it any other way. Even the fact that I started as Sister Locks and I spent so much money installing my sister, like so much, like. But then changing it over the years to micro locks anyway, I don't want to say I wouldn't change a thing, because I would change the price. I'm going to be honest. I would change the money I spent. But the lesson that I've learned and the fact that I can say I've grown from it, I learned from it, I learned about my hair from it, that I wouldn't change. But the money, I spend enough money upon it. That is it. I honestly don't know what else to talk about. I don't know. So I'm going to leave it up to you guys to decide. Similar to my last year update, I think the year before that, I'm going to have a Q&A. So any questions that you want to ask about my hair, my locks, my journey, products, leave it in the comment section. Then give me some time, like about a week or two, I'm going to do an update video where I answer all those questions that you guys asked. Last time I did this, I had so many questions I didn't know what to do with myself. I did not. What am I doing? Why am I doing it again this year? What am I doing to myself? Why am I setting up myself again this year? Because I do it for y'all. So like I said, any questions that you guys might have, leave it in the comment section and I'll do a follow-up video where I answer all those questions. Get ready though. That follow-up video will be hella long. It's gonna be a long video. If you guys ask the question, make sure you watch that video because I just know it's gonna be long. The last one was long. It's gonna be really long. I'm warning you from now. But if you're interested, watch it. I think that's all I want to talk about. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your love and support over all these years, and continue to enjoy your journey. Bye.